Meaning of elongation.
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 Elongation. Elongation refers to the process of stretching or lengthening something. In science and engineering, it is commonly used to describe the deformation of a material under stress. When a force is applied to a material, the molecules within it become distorted and the material experiences elongation. This can be quantified by measuring the change in length of the material. Elongation is an important property to consider in various applications, as it affects the overall mechanical behavior and durability of materials. It is often expressed as a percentage of the original length of the material that has been elongated.